Hello everyone. I am Shamir Faison, and I'm so glad to be talking with you today. I ask that you head on over to my blog at www.shamirfaison.com. Also, make sure you opt in where you can receive your free gift. But today I want to talk to you from a brief subject, and that's about the employee versus the entrepreneurship mindset. I hear so many people say that when you build your business, you should have an entrepreneurship mindset and not an employee mindset. Also, one of my favorite quotes is that I would rather work for profits than wages. While I agree with all these statements, I dare to say that a lot of network marketers come into their primary business because they enjoy the products, and they see the benefits of coming into the business in order to get the products for a cheaper price, not necessarily to build a business. And then, however, as time goes on, they see, wow, I can really earn a profit from this, and they decide to come into the business in order to make some money. Well, even though they came into the business, some of them may have not let go of this employee mindset. And I'm here to say that that's not necessarily a bad thing. There are some great ideas or characteristics of an employee that would actually help your business or help you in your entrepreneurship quest. For instance, if you're a self-confident employee, you're going to be a great entrepreneur. Self-confidence is key because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. One of the second qualities I would like to bring out from an employee standpoint is creativity. You have to be creative. You have to attract people to you. You have to know your products and be able to market them to others. Being able to market them to others leads me to my third skill as an employee, which can also help you as an entrepreneur, which will be the ability to know your field or know the product or know the market you're marketing to. And as an employee, if you've been in the industry of marketing, if you've been in the industry of health and beauty products, you've been in the industry of makeup, then you already know your product. And if you come over and you find a company similar to that in the industry of network marketing or internet marketing, you can transfer those skills over. However, even if you find a different company or a different industry, you can still use those same skills to build your business. You just have to study this new field even more in depth. So I would like to wrap up by saying that if you're new to the entrepreneurship field and you still have some of the employee mindsets, don't beat yourself up. And if you're building a team and you have some people with the employee mindset, don't discount them. Meet them right where they are and help them, because I just named 3 skills or 3 identities that you have as an employee, which can help you as an entrepreneurship. Those 3 skills are creativity, self-confidence, and knowledge of the field. So that's all I have for you today. Again, make sure you head on over to my blog, www.shamirfaison.com. Opt in so that you can receive your free gifts. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.